Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken soup for noodles. We're going to create a comforting bowl of goodness with an easy method. First, gather your ingredients. About 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken, 2 quarts of chicken broth, and your favorite vegetables like 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 onion. This simple approach ensures a delicious and satisfying meal every time. Now let's get cooking. In a large pot, warm 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add your chopped carrots, celery, and onion, sautéing them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they soften. Next, introduce your chicken to the pot, cooking it until it's no longer pink. Once cooked, remove the chicken, shred it into bite-sized pieces, and set it aside. This builds a flavorful base. With your vegetables softened, it's time to add the liquid. Pour in the 2 quarts of chicken broth and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for at least 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. During the last 8 to 10 minutes of simmering, add your noodles, ensuring they cook to a perfect al dente texture. Almost ready. Finally, let's perfect our soup. Return the shredded chicken to the pot. Season generously with salt and black pepper to your liking. For an extra burst of freshness, stir in about 1/4 cup of fresh parsley or dill just before serving. Ladle the hot, aromatic soup into bowls. There you have it, a wonderfully comforting and easy homemade chicken noodle soup, ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.